Hi guys, my name is Lauren. I'm an occupational therapy student. Today I'm going to be doing a video tutorial on how to make this basket. So some of the supplies that we're going to need are a circular Tupperware container, some wooden kebab skewers, some twine, a hot glue gun with some hot glue sticks, and scissors. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your permanent marker and you're going to make about a 2-inch line from the bottom of the Tupperware container. And then we're going to take that and cut along the line so that you get just a base for the basket. And then you're going to cut your kebab skewers. I would say probably about 3-4 inches in length, give or take. And then you're going to take these and you're going to use the hot glue gun to glue them around the outside of the base. This can be done with about, I would say, probably 1.5 inches distance in between each kebab skewer, and you're just going to do that until it goes all the way around the base. For this next step, we're going to use our twine to get started on making the basket. So this is optional, but I chose to take 3 long strands of twine and braid them to make more of a design on the bottom 2 rows of the base. And then I used the rest of the twine to kind of just hot glue each row around the base until I got to the top of the plastic bottom. Once you reach the top of the plastic part, we are actually going to start to wrap the twine around each one of the kebab skewers. So like so, you are going to circle the twine around each kebab skewer and you're going to continue this motion going counterclockwise around the base. This step is really simple, and once you get into the groove of it, you actually get it going pretty fast. So you just want to make sure that the twine is pulled tight, and that each time you go around, you're kind of pushing the twine down so that the basket doesn't have any holes and it is tight to hold whatever you're going to place inside of it. This step is time consuming and is going to vary depending on how big you want to make your basket, but overall I would say this step probably took me about 10 minutes. So like I said, this step is probably going to take you some time, but you're going to continue to wrap the twine around the kebab skewers until you get to a desirable height, and then you're going to use the hot glue gun to kind of secure the twine to each of the kebab skewers, and then you're going to cut off the tips of the kebab skewers just to make sure that there's nothing sticking out of the basket that's too obvious. And then I decided to top it off by making a braided handle for the basket. So I just took 3 long strands of twine again, and I braided them and then glued them to the inside of the basket on both sides. Then once your hot glue dries, you'll have a beautiful twine basket to hold your flowers. Thank you for following along, and I hope you enjoyed this video.